is saying that Bihar was treated stepmotherly. Chandrababu Naidu took 2 lakh crores. What did the Chief Minister of Bihar get? Where is the government is dependent on God. Congress leader Manish Tiwari even said that, is this the budget of the country of Bihar? The development of the country has been put aside. Only Bihar and Bihar were seen in the budget. Giving me the post of governor, putting a lock on my mouth. NCP leader Chhagan Bhujbal, angry at not being made a minister in the Maharashtra government, has given a big statement on the discussion of making me the governor. He said that making me the governor of any state would be like putting a lock on my mouth. My job is to fight for the rights of the poor and deprived section of the society. Will I be able to continue that fight after becoming the governor? Rahul's biggest sarcasm till now. The government is bankrupt in terms of ideas. Rahul Gandhi has made a strong sarcasm after the presentation of the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's budget. This is the sharpest sarcasm Rahul has made on the government so far. Rahul has said that a bandage. Rahul has said that a bandage has been applied on the bullet wound. Rahul has said that a paradigm shift is needed to solve our economic crisis amid globally or certainly, but this government is bankrupt in terms of ideas. Manji made fun of the opponents while laughing. Hindustan Awam Morcha Supremo and Union Minister Jitendra Manji has thanked the government for giving a special attention to Bihar in the budget, while at the same time he has made fun of the opposition, taking a jibe at the opposition. He has said that after the general budget, the tears of the opponents of Bihar must not be stopping. By the way, my advice to opponents of Bihar is that they should use a gamcha from the Gulf to wipe their tears. This will dry to tears and the people of our Khadi, India will also get employment. China is crying after investing money in Pakistan bad condition. Pakistan was dreaming of making Pakistan was dreaming of making Gwadar Dubai of Pakistan on Chinese money, but at this time income has become 5 paise and expenditure has become a rupees from China. Forget about money, it has become difficult for China to cover the expenses. Swami Avimukteswaranand demanded resignation from Yogi government. Swami Avimukteswaranand has held the UP government responsibility for the bad management of the stampede in Mahakumbh. For this, he has also demanded resignation from the chief minister on moral grounds. Let us tell you that even before this, he has been attacking the government. 3 Indians missing in Iran, India sought help. After 3 citizens went missing in Iran, India has sought help from Tehran. These 3 citizens had gone there for business purpose, but after going there, they lost contact with their families. After some time, India Foreign Minister's spokesperson Ranveer Jaiswal has given the information. India has taken his matter seriously with Tehran. Operation Tiger intensifies in Maharashtra. Operation Tiger is being discussed in the politics of Maharashtra these days. It is being said that the Shinde faction of Shiv Sena is trying to bring the leaders of Shiv Sena led by Uddhav Thackeray to its side. A different approach in Assam. You know that India is a country of diversity. It has been said in India to respect every diversity. You must also know it, but there are some things which create a strange situation. Such is the situation in Assam these days. In Jorhat, Assam people of the Jain community took out a religious procession under the leadership of 2 Digambar Jain monks. People of the community participated in this procession which started from the main road of the city, but according to the Digambar Jain tradition, a group of people of the city strongly criticized this rally and also protested when the monks were naked, after which CM Himanta Biswa Sharma said that if any attempts is made to create a ruckus in any religious procession taken out by the Jain community, then such anti-social elements will be dealt with strictly. Finally, Tejasvi also opened his mouth on Nitish's son. Former Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Tejasvi Yadav, said that if Nitish Kumar's health is not good, then his son must come into politics. If Nishan comes into politics, we welcome him. In 2024, Nitish Kumar used to give speeches against nepotism, while more than 80% of his cabinet consists of nepotism. Nishant Kumar should come into politics and struggle. When I also come into politics, I was not in any position. We have also struggled. When we come into politics, our party was in a difficult situation. I struggled before coming into politics and contested election in 2015. Tejasvi has finally described Nishant as a straight man. BJP leader Sita Soren may return to JMM. Hemant Soren's sister-in-law may return to JMM again. It is being told that she was made the party chief and her father-in-law Shibu Soren and requested for a homecoming. She may be on the stage on the foundation day of JMM. She said that who knows the time and situation. It is my own house. Everything is built by us. It is the same today as it was yesterday. Leaders of political parties are moving from one place to another. We are where we are right now. The level of work has fallen in politics. Sanjay Raut said that Sharad Pawar is called a wandering soul. Uddhav Thackeray is called a fact child, and the words poor women have been used in politics. This is not right. The president should be respected. After Sonia Gandhi's comment on the presidency is being targeted, BJP wins without voting in 8 places. Amidst the excitement of the urban body election in Chhattisgarh, voting will be held on February 11 and the results will be declared on February 15. Due to cancellation of nomination or withdrawal of names at many places, BJP candidates won the field without election. Bilaspur, Katgora, Durg Municipal Corporation, Raigarh Municipal Corporation, Bhilai Municipal Corporation, Lorni Municipality are included. Rebellion in BJP in Karnataka. These days the voices of rebellion are getting louder in Karnataka, and it seems that the High Command will get to intervene in it now. The rebel faction included BJP leader Vasant Goda Patil Yadnal, Kumar Bangrappa and other senior leaders who will meet National President JP Nadda. They claim that Karnataka BJP is currently facing a serious crisis. People are calling them to sunrise of Karnataka BJP, which can storm the politics of nepotism. The party cannot be the private property of any of the family. AAP MLA joined BJP. Yesterday, the news of 7 MLAs resigning was quite strong. After this news, there was a sensation in Delhi. Now, 8 MLAs have joined BJP. One amazing thing is that the lefty party alleging corruption. But another question is that why the corruption allegation was made in the election season? The party could have been left earlier also when the big leader of AAP were going to jail.